Australia is amazing. I love this country. We're so lucky.
We are Meg and Isaac. In February 2024, we set off on the ultimate caravanning and camping trip around Australia in our Toyota Prado and Jayco Crosstrack.
Travelling Australia had been on the bucket list for such a long time, and we were prepared to make it work any way possible. Making do with what we had, working along the way, making adjustments as we go, and trying to stay within our budget, all to see this beautiful country we call home, Australia.
After some pretty crappy weather yesterday, good weather, isn't it? Breaking the weather, we were able to get up to Joshua Gorge and have a look and climb down.
Ooh, nice jump. My knees don't like that anymore. What 5 years difference is, Hannah?
Pretty bloody cold too, but we've made our way to Mount Bruce. I've got my jacket on. There's actually a busload of people. There must be a hiking group.
It was this big, it was that strong, and he went that away.
What do you reckon about the climb so far?
It's good. I like how it's like a ridge top first, but it's also, yeah, a bit of a warm up, and now it's nice, challenging.
Yeah, so you walk from up there and then you go all along this ridge and then all the way up here. Just walked past a heap of other walkers that did the sunrise up the top. They said beautiful walk, except couldn't see anything. There's clouds there. Still worth the walk though.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely. We had a good view on the way up anyway, but
We might soak this view up and head down to the bottom. Actually done. What do you reckon, Hannah?
I thought it was pretty good. Loved it.
Pretty good walk, eh?
it is a good walk. It was fun and challenging.
Different.
So
Different, unusual. It was
it
nice.
took us 3 hours, 9 minutes and 22 seconds.
Woo!
We did 9.85 kilometres. I'm going to go back and make a toasty. And then we'll see you at the Gorges.
You'd be so cozy in that.
Yeah, I am quite warm.
Hey, ho, let's go.
Let's go swimming.
3 different types of footwear on at the moment. Meg's got some Crocs. Hannah's got sand shoes. And I've got my pluggers. Someone's gone swimming.
Where?
I was just thinking maybe. Yeah. It won't be too bad.
Meg's gone full bikini. It's pretty cold so far.
Don't do this walk without a dry bag, people. You can, but then you have to worry about your gear. Go, Hannah! Not bad? Lovely. How's Belle? They're good.
Is this full of fresh water or is it just full of people's wee?
It's just wee. Definitely come where at about 1 o'clock. Sun's right up in the sky. I reckon that's the best time. Not that I've been any other time.
I was like, I feel like a bit of a liability walking around with only one hand to stuff.
Just don't be one.
Walking through to get in Kermit's pool.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad, Hannah. Just breathe.
You don't get leaked.
Because of pests like you. Oh, you're on the lookout then.
Oh. Australia is amazing. I love this country. We're so lucky.
I do remember this as a kid.
Do you?
Yeah.
So this is where they'll meet, hey?
Yeah. Ox lookout. We're going to go back to camp, light a fire this afternoon, have some food, and then maybe a couple of beers.